जय हिंद एवरीवन। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं, दिल्ली जितनी ही फेमस है अपने मॉन्यूमेंट्स के लिए, उतनी ही ज़्यादा फेमस है अपने खाने के लिए। यहाँ जितनी वैरायटी वेजिटेरियंस के लिए है, उतनी ही ज़्यादा वैरायटी नॉन वेजिटेरियंस के लिए। तो आज मैं जूनियर अंडर ऑफिसर आर्यन को दिल्ली के कुछ फेमस खाने के बारे में बताएंगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Daulat ki chaat. It is a sweet dish and the most sublime sweet in the world. The dish involves immense effort and expertise. 3-4 hours of just churning milk, followed by leaving it outside all night in the presence of dewdrops. Cheese omelette. Omelette lovers, raise your hand. Khan Omelette Corner is known for its superbly flavorful cheese omelette. This place will change your perception of a variety of dishes that you can whip off out of a humble egg. This food joint offers its visitors a lot of variety to choose from. Shahi Dahi Bhalle, the perfect cooling chaat and the stomach soother. On a hot Delhi day, dahi bhalla consists of creamy dahi or yogurt and bhalla, bready fried lentil fritters, usually of urad dal. Kulle ki chaat. Ever heard of kulle ki chaat? This delectably loaded fruit vegetable chaat is a must try in Delhi. Momos. Momos are one of the most loved street foods in Delhi today. Dolma Auntie Momos is touted as the first ever momo thela that was established. Fateh Chand Kachori. If you are a true Delhi wala, it is unlikely that you have not heard of Fateh Chand Kachori Wale. The preparation is a lip-smacking mixture of chickpeas mixed with sweet and sour chutney. The mixture is served with fried kachoris sprinkled with coriander and a concoction of Indian masalas and a squeeze of lime juice. Choor choor naan. The delicious choor choor naan is the beloved desi bread that Delhiites can't get enough of. This doughy bread, stuffed with sumptuous fillings and topped with generous helpings of butter, has quickly become Delhi's most savoured guilty pleasure. Malai Chap Roll. The Delhi version of these Malai Chap Rolls will keep you on your toes no matter where you try them. Every roll wala in Delhi has his own special ingredient to make this tasty goodness all the more delish. Omelette kulcha plus chicken cheese omelette. Billu Omelette Point, known for its scrumptious omelettes, kulchas and even shawarmas. This place is a gem for a true egg lover. Butter omelette kulcha has omelette stuffed in a kulcha and overloaded with butter. While we have all tried naans stuffed with our favorite veggies and meat, have you ever tried one with the stuffing of sinful chocolate? Delve in some lip-smacking chocolate naans that you should definitely try in Delhi. Chinese chaat is basically an out-of-the-world mixture of many Chinese dishes put together to make something absolutely scrummy. So go mixing and matching as you add those yummy chicken Manchurian in a plate of steaming chili paneer. Shahi Sheermal is essentially a tandoori roti that's sweet, glistening with ghee and is just brilliant. It's the subtlest sweet that exists, not sweet enough to hurt your tongue. Bhalle Papdi Chaat. Famous Bhalla Papdi. Papdi chaat from the streets of Delhi is one of the most popular street chaats. Dahi vadas are mixed with crunchy papdi and sweet tangy tamarind chutney and spicy green chutney to make a flavorful dish. Chicken thali. If you have a ravenous appetite, then this chicken thali is a must try. This thali is so huge, it takes more than 4 people to finish it. The non-vegetarian thali includes chicken, mutton and fish preparations, vegetables and kebabs of various kinds.
अभी तक आपने दिल्ली की गलियों में कुछ मशहूर दुकानें देखी। अब हमारे कैडेट्स आपको आलू चाट, एग रोल, पानी पूरी, छोले भटूरे, पनीर पराठा और जलेबी की रेसिपी बताएंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। जय हिंद। I am Cadet Piyush Tyagi from Delhi Directorate and today I will make aloo chaat. Now let's look at the ingredients. Boiled potatoes, tamarind sauce, mint sauce, sweet yogurt, chopped onions, salt, black salt, cumin powder, red chili powder, chopped tomatoes and some mint leaves. Now heat half cup of oil on medium flame. Add boiled potatoes to it and fry them. Fry these potatoes until they turn golden brown in color. Now add some salt according to the taste, cumin powder and red chili powder. Now add some yogurt, tamarind sauce, and mint sauce. Now add chopped onions, and some chopped tomatoes. In the last, we will do topping with the mint leaves. And now our aloo chaat is ready to eat.
One of the most famous corners of egg rolls is in Sadar Bazaar, Delhi. highly liquid, we're going to make an egg rolls. It is quite famous in Delhi street food, and I will also show you how to make it. So let's get started. Purpose flour, butter, onions, capsicum, green chilies, cucumber, salt, lemon, ketchup, water, eggs, carrots and beetroots. Add 1 tablespoon ghee, water and make a dough. So our dough is ready. Make equal size of dough balls. Roll it into a big chapati. Place the roti on tawa or fry pan. Apply ghee on the both sides. Once it is cooked, take it out. Put the second roti as well. Put some ghee in the fry pan. Add veggies. Stir all the veggies and fry it. And take it out. Crack 2 eggs in a bowl. Add salt and mix it well. Put the egg batter onto tawa or fry pan. Put the cooked roti on it. Take it out. Put the sauce on it and all the fried veggies. Add green chilies. Squeeze a lemon. And now roll it. Delicious egg rolls are ready to eat. If you want to make it at your home, follow.
puri is also known as puchka in eastern states of Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Gupchup in Telangana, Pani ke Patash in Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan. According to a legend in the Mahabharata, Draupadi invented the Pani Puri when the Pandava brothers Draupadi and their mother Kunti were in exile after losing their kingdom in game of dice. Kunti gave Draupadi a challenge. Now I am going to show you the ingredients you need to make a puri dough. Firstly, we take semolina, 1 bowl, which is also called suji, half tablespoon of baking powder, 3 to 4 tablespoon of refined oil and some warm water, and mix it well to make the puri dough. I am taking this utensil for making the puri dough. Now I am adding my all ingredients one by one. Firstly, 1 bowl of semolina, that is also called suji, and then half tablespoon of baking soda, then 3 to 4 tablespoon of refined oil, 3 and 4. Now mix it well by using the spoon or your hand also. Now I am adding some warm water to making a puri dough. Knead your dough well, use little water at a time and mix it well, slowly. Now I am going to cover it with a cotton cloth for 15 minutes around, and after 15 minutes we will see. After 15 minutes, let's open it. Take this small portion of your dough. Now roll it out and make it like cylinder shape, like this, you can see. Now take tiny portion of your dough to make puri. These are my tiny portion of dough to make the puris. Now I am going to give this shape to the tiny portion of dough in this circle shape. You can see it like this. One by one. Take some oil to make the puri. Firstly, flat it like this. And we will give the proper shape to them like the small chapatis. Look. Now we will just make it like the small chapati and give this some shape as we like to eat our golgappa or pani puri. See, this much thin, like this. Now I will make other ones also be like this puri. These are my small puris. It depends on you how much you want to eat the yummy pani puris. Let's fry them. We will fry all this puri in this utensil. There is the need of 1 bowl of refined oil and we will put in it. Check your oil, heat it well. Now I will put my puris one by one in this utensil. Press it like this. Now you can see that puri. Let's wait for the change the color. The color seems to be like the brown or orange. You can see it like this. Now take them out. You can see. Now I am going to prepare pani for my pani puris, and the ingredients are black pepper, black salt, white salt, chili powder, fresh leaves of green coriander, fresh leaves of mint. Take mixer, put green leaves of mint, put green leaves of our green coriander, add green chili according to your taste. Now I am going to blend it. Now take 2 glasses of cold water. 1, 2, now I am going to add chili, mint, coriander paste in this cold water. Now mix it well. You can see this green color. Add half spoon of black salt in it. Now add pinch of white salt. Chili flakes are optional. If you think it's less chili, then you can add it little bit in it. Add little bit black pepper. Add pinch of asafoetida, which is also called hing. It is good for digestion. Now add 2 to 3 spoon of bundi. Now mix it well. Your pani is potato in it. Add some pani in it, means water. Your golgappa is ready.
Soda. Banta soda is your perfect thirst quencher this summer. The tangy cum sweet taste of Banta is immensely refreshing and gets you going. It's common to find Banta walas in nooks and corners around the market, busy attending to customers by squeezing a lemon into a glass and adding a sprinkling of rock salt before opening a crooked looking bottle of Banta and pouring it into the glass. Aloo chaat. Nothing punctuates a Delhi shopping street better than a plate of deep fried potato topped with spiced yogurt and tangy chutneys. The chaat has slowly come to be one of the main attractions of every street, every corner and every stall. Flying noodles. You are so close to making your dream come true. This cafe is serving noodles that can practically fly. Yes, you did hear that right. The Woodbox Cafe at multiple locations is serving some amazing noodles that will defy gravity. The Rose Cafe iced coffee is different from your regular iced coffee because they used Milkmaid instead of milk, which is topped with a shot of espresso and ice. It's sweet yet strong. Paneer Chilla. Right on the main road stands a street stall serving Chandni Chowk's famous chilla bread stuffed with aloo cutlets and chilla stuffed with paneer. Served with a wholesome garnishing of carrot and radish shavings, it also gets full points for presentation and for satisfying our taste buds. Orange Kulfi. There's no dearth of kulfi stalls in Delhi. Uremal Mohanlal Kulfiwale in Old Delhi prepares kulfis stuffed in fruits along with kulfi julepers, which are juice-based kulfis. The stuffed kulfi is a real fruit, the pulp of which is used in the making of the kulfi, and then the content is added back into the fruit and set. Chole Bhature. Hogal Chole Bhature Wala is a hidden gem in all true sense. This takeaway only eatery located in Janpath has been serving street food for generations. Their menu offers delicious chole bhature, matar kulche, chole chawal and parathas. Golgappe. Known as Golgappa in northern India, Pani Puri in southern and central India, Pani ke Batashe in the west and Puchka in the east, this crunchy ball of goodness is known to every chaat lover in the country. And Delhi, being the food capital of India, is a true gourmet's calling, and chaat is Delhi's specialty.
Jai Hind to everyone. I am Junior Under Officer Tarun Khatri from Delhi Directorate. Today I will make Chole Bhature. Chole Bhature dish originating from northern India and it famous in all over Delhi. Some famous Chole Bhature corners in Delhi: Sitaram Diwanchand, Radhe Krishna Chole Bhature, Gopalji Chole Bhature. It is a combination of chana, masala and bhature, a fried bread from maida. There is a Punjabi variant dish. So let's check out the recipe. We have put 2 cup chole in water already. Now we are going to boil them for 5 whistles with tea bag. Meanwhile time we are preparing the dough of bhature with yeast, maida, pinch of salt and water. And we are making puree of chole with 1 cup chopped onion and 1 cup chopped tomatoes with 4 green chilies. And now we are in final stage of making chole. Have a delicious tadka. For that add some oil, cumin seeds, next is puree, and add tomato puree,
Add some coriander. Add salt according to taste. And add turmeric, which means haldi, and mix it gently. At last, add boiled chole and wait for 5 minutes. Then our chole is ready after it. Have the dough and make it like chapati and leave it into oil. And after having brownish color, pick up it. Delicious chole bhature is ready to eat.
And everyone, Cadet Tamanna from Delhi Direct. Let's start. Paneer paratha is a popular whole wheat Indian flatbread. We can eat paneer paratha in breakfast, lunch and dinner also. Let's see how to make. The ingredients are, first of all we have to take 1 cup wheat flour जिसे हम कहते हैं गेहूं का आटा, 1 tablespoon अजवाइन, 1 tablespoon नमक, you can add नमक according to your taste, 2 tablespoon ghee, 1 chopped onion, धनिया powder, red chili powder, 1 कटी हुई हरी मिर्च and grated paneer. To make paneer stuffed paratha, first of all we need to prepare the dough. Take wheat flour in a mixing bowl. Add namak according to your taste. Add 2 tablespoon ghee. Add little much ajwain to it. Mix the all ingredients well and with the help of water make the dough. We have to knead the soft dough as we all want in the normal paratha. Add some water in it. And prepare a soft dough. We have to make the soft dough like this. Our soft dough is ready. To knead this quantity of dough, 1 cup of water is used and some left. Cover the dough with utensils or some cloth and keep aside for 20 to 25 minutes to set. To make paneer stuffing, we had to take grated paneer. Now we have to add some masalas on it. Let's add some masalas. Firstly, we need to add chopped onion, some red chili powder, according to your taste, 1 hari chili, some dhania powder. We have to add some salt in it according to your taste. Mixed well till the all ingredients blend. Spices have mixed well with the paneer. As 20 minutes passed, our dough is set and ready. Let graze some hand with ghee and squash the dough like I am squashing it. Our dough is ready. Let's start making from the dough. Break a lump from the dough. You can make paratha as big as you require. Take this amount of dough. Squash the dough and make the dough round shape. Like this. Coat the peda with the dry flour. Roll it out to 4 to 5 inch in diameter. Put 2 or 3 tablespoon masala on the dough. You can add less or more stuffing as you require. Close the stuffing by lifting from all the sides. So stuffing can spread equally. Coat it with the dry flour again. Pull out slightly thick paratha in 6 to 7 inches in diameter. Paratha is rolled out and ready. Stuffed paratha are kept slightly thick. Put the paratha to roast on the tawa. Keep the flame on the medium. Let the paratha roast from the beneath. Till the paratha roast on the tawa. Let's roll another paratha likewise. Split the paratha until brown spots appear on the other side as well. We are making paratha with ghee. You can use any oil, refined oil, as your wish. Our paratha is ready and roasted. Roast all paratha likewise. Put the paratha in the plate or you can serve it directly. Paratha is looking so tasty. Mouth rolling. Our paneer paratha is ready now. We serve with achar, curd.
निशा जोशी, आज मैं आपको पुरानी दिल्ली की मशहूर जलेबी की रेसिपी बताना चाहूँगी। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट।
The old famous Jalebi Wala.
जलेबी बनाना शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले हमें चाहिए मैदा 2 बाउल, चीनी, ऑयल और घी भी ले सकते हैं हम, इलायची, कलर चाशनी के कलर के लिए, नींबू, पानी और बेकिंग पाउडर। चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं जलेबी का बैटर बनाना। सबसे पहले हम इसमें 1 से हाफ बाउल मैदा डालेंगे। देन आप इसमें घी या ऑयल भी डाल सकते हैं। हमने इसमें घी डाला है। घी डालने के बाद 1 छोटे चम्मच बेकिंग सोडा डालेंगे। फिर हम इसको अच्छे से मल देंगे, मतलब सही कर देंगे। इसमें हमने मैदा, घी और बेकिंग सोडा डाला है। इन तीनों को अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेंगे ताकि ये बहुत हल्का हो जाए। फिर थोड़ी देर के बाद ये बहुत लाइट हो जाएगा, तो उसके बाद हमें इसमें हल्का सा पानी डालेंगे। तीनों का मिक्सचर है वो अच्छे से मिक्स हो चुका है, तो हम इसमें धीरे धीरे पानी डालना शुरू करेंगे। पानी भी एक साथ डालेंगे नहीं, धीरे धीरे डालना शुरू करेंगे, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके। इसको हम अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेंगे। इसको अच्छे से फेंटिए ताकि इसमें कोई लम्प्स ना रहे। देखिए ये हमारा बैटर बिल्कुल रेडी हो गया है। चाशनी बनाना स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम एक पैन लेंगे, उसमें 1 बाउल चीनी डाल देंगे। आप जलेबी के हिसाब से चीनी डाल सकते हैं। चीनी डालने के बाद हम इसमें 1 से 2 गिलास पानी डालेंगे। बस इसके बाद हम इसमें थोड़ी सी इलायची डालेंगे ताकि इसमें कलर आ जाए। हम इसमें थोड़ा सा कलर डालेंगे ताकि जो जलेबी का जो ओरिजिनल कलर है वो आ जाए। थोड़ा सा कलर आना चाहिए अच्छा। मिक्स कर देंगे और इसे थोड़ा उबाल आने देंगे। ये हमारा रेडी हो जाएगा कुछ ही मिनट्स में। इसी को 10 से 15 मिनट तक ही पकाना है और 1 या 2 उबाल आ जाए
तब तक हमें इसे पकाना है, इससे ज़्यादा हमें नहीं पकाना है। हमारा जो चाशनी है उसमें उबाल आने लग गया है, देखिए। फिर थोड़ी देर तक और हम पकाएंगे और ये देखने में काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है, अब टेस्ट करके ही पता चलेगा। 1 या 2 नींबू डाल देंगे ताकि जो चिपचिप है वो ना हो, जो बखर है वो नीचे ना चिपके, इसलिए हमने नींबू डाल दिया 1-2 चम्मच। और जो गंदगी है, जैसे वाइट जो आ जाता है चीनी में ऊपर से, वो भी हट जाएगा हम चीनी डालते हैं तो। अब इसको हम 1-2 बार और आने देंगे। इसमें उबाल आ चुका है और जो हमारा ये गंदा होता है और नींबू को भी हम निकाल देंगे। इलायची का भी जो वो भी निकाल देंगे, तो हमारी छाछ निकल के तैयार है। ग्रेट। तो हम इसको बंद कर देंगे। बैटर हमारा बना हुआ है, रेडी है। उसे हम या तो एक जो सॉस होता है उसकी छोटी वाली बॉटल है वो उसमें डालेंगे, या एक प्लास्टिक की आती है पॉलीथीन उसमें डालेंगे, या अगर दोनों अवेलेबल नहीं है तो हम दूध का जो पैकेट होता है उसमें डालकर हम जलेबी बना सकते हैं। तो स्टार्ट करती हूँ मैं। काफ़ी थोड़ा थोड़ा डालेंगे, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके बनाएंगे। बस इतना ही हम डालेंगे। अब हम इसको एक रबड़ से बांध देंगे। जो हमारा बैटर है इसको हम रबड़ से बांध देंगे और नीचे से ये छेद कर देंगे। ये देखिए ये रेडी है हमारा। हम एक कढ़ाई लेंगे, उसमें हम ऑयल डालेंगे। इसको मीडियम, ना ज़्यादा गर्म करना है और ना ठंडा रहना है, इसको थोड़ा गर्म होने देंगे हम। अब जो हमने बैटर डाला है उसको हम यहाँ पे कैंची से काट देंगे, छोटा सा। आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग से काट सकते हैं, मोटा भी और पतला भी, आपको जिस टाइप की जलेबी खानी है। मुझे तो एक बार देख लेते कि ये जो हमारा तेल है वो गर्म हुआ कि नहीं। जो हमारा तेल है वो काफ़ी गर्म हो चुका है, तो हम उसको उसमें, ये देखिए गर्म हो चुका है। अब हम इसमें अपनी जलेबी बनाना शुरू करते हैं। आप अपनी तरीके से इसको शेप बना सकते हैं। इसको हम पलट देंगे। डालने के बाद हम इसको चाशनी में डाल देंगे डायरेक्ट। पूरा अच्छे से इनको भिगा देंगे। हमारी जो जलेबी है वो रेडी है ऑलमोस्ट। हमारी ये जलेबी दिखने में काफ़ी टेस्टी लग रही है, आप इसको दही या रबड़ी के साथ खा सकते हैं। दिल्ली की मशहूर जलेबी रेडी है। थैंक यू। जय हिंद।
Strawberry Nutella waffles. Crisp and firm or soft and moist, there is something about a waffle that always charms us. Crepe Phase is basically a super cool food lab where they dish out fresh bagels and crepes, yummy waffles and other such desserts. Biryani. Biryani is everyone's favorite and we love biryani from the core of our hearts. We've been having biryani the usual way, served in a plate. But have you ever had the chance to have biryani served in a potli? Housewell serves biryani in a potli and it is so tempting. But the biryani inside of it is made of flavors and is served with beautiful raita. Aloo tikki, a mildly spicy deep fried potato patty topped with whipped curd and chutney. This aforedescribed dish is a popular North Indian street food which you absolutely must binge on when roaming the streets of Delhi. Kesar lassi and normal lassi. Sometimes sweet, sometimes salty, but always refreshing. There's nothing like a wholesome glass of lassi to cool you in the summers. Besides its refreshing flavor, it also makes for the perfect thirst quencher. There can't be a better way to indulge than devouring a glass of this churned goodness. 4-feet dosa. The most common problem with big-sized dishes is that they usually look tempting, but taste horrible. It seems like they're only contrived to attract attention and not elevate your eating experience. But that was not the case with the dosa at Sankalp restaurant. The dish, besides being massive, also packs a punch with its delightful taste. Each bite of its crispy outer texture is heavenly, and the masala filling on the side further elevates its taste. Fire pan, Chuski pan. Shukla Orient Pan Palace has been around almost since the time India as a nation took birth. This particular pan shop has not only the regular sada pan and meetha pan, it also has a number of other pans with a clever innovation. The most popular out of which is the Chuski pan. A chuski or a baraf ka gola is ice on a stick dipped in different syrups and flavors.
दिल्ली के मोती महल में ही बना था वर्ल्ड का पहला बटर चिकन. So famous that Indian leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, among various foreign dignitaries, have also visited Moti Mahal on various occasions. Moti Mahal was founded by 3 partners in the year 1947 in Delhi's Daryaganj, and it's the first restaurant to introduce tandoori cuisine in India. It's known for its famous dishes including butter chicken and dal makhani.